Natural disasters, while often unforeseeable, can wreak havoc on communities and economies. One such disaster that can leave devastation in its wake is flooding. Floods can be caused by various factors, including heavy rainfall, storm surges, and even melting snow. Given the potential for immense damage, flood insurance has emerged as a crucial tool to mitigate the financial burden that these disasters can bring. In this article, we will delve into the intricacies of flood insurance, exploring its importance, coverage, benefits, and considerations. The need for flood insurance. Floods have the power to erase decades of progress in a matter of hours. Homes, businesses, infrastructure, and personal belongings can all be swept away in the deluge. While government aid and disaster relief efforts can help in the aftermath, they often fall short of covering the full extent of losses. This is where flood insurance comes into play. It provides individuals and communities with a layer of financial protection that can aid in recovery and rebuilding efforts. Understanding flood insurance. Flood insurance is a specialized type of insurance designed to cover the damage caused by flooding. It is distinct from standard homeowners insurance policies, which typically exclude flood-related damages. To bridge this gap, the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, was established in the United States in 1968, offering flood insurance policies to homeowners, renters, and businesses. Private insurers also offer flood insurance, providing additional options and coverage. Coverage and benefits. Flood insurance policies cover a range of expenses related to flood damage. This includes structural damage to buildings, electrical and plumbing systems, heating and cooling systems, appliances, and even debris removal. Additionally, flood insurance can extend to cover personal belongings, such as furniture, electronics, and clothing. This comprehensive coverage ensures that policyholders are not left empty-handed when disaster strikes. One significant advantage of flood insurance is its consistency. While disaster assistance from the government may vary based on the extent of damage and available funds, flood insurance policies offer a reliable source of financial support. This predictability can significantly aid in the recovery process and help policyholders regain their footing sooner. Coverage limitations and exclusions. Despite its extensive coverage, flood insurance does have limitations and exclusions. For instance, damage caused by mold and mildew resulting from delayed repairs after a flood may not be covered. Additionally, coverage for certain types of property, such as outdoor fixtures and landscaping, may be limited. It's essential for policyholders to carefully read and understand their policies to grasp the extent of coverage and any potential gaps. Considerations for purchasing flood insurance. Location. The risk of flooding varies based on geography. Properties located in flood-prone areas, such as coastal regions or near rivers, are at higher risk. As such, these properties often require flood insurance. However, it's crucial to note that flooding can occur even in areas with a lower historical risk. Type of policy. Flood insurance policies come in two main types: building property coverage and personal property coverage. While building property coverage focuses on the structure itself, personal property coverage safeguards belongings within the property. Both types of coverage can be purchased separately or together, depending on individual needs. Cost. The cost of flood insurance is influenced by factors such as the property's elevation, flood risk zone, and coverage limits. Government-backed NFIP policies have standardized rates, while private insurers may offer varying rates and additional coverage options. Waiting period. Many flood insurance policies have a waiting period before they become effective. This means that coverage may not be available immediately after purchasing a policy, so it's essential to plan ahead. Mitigation measures. Some insurance policies offer reduced rates for properties with flood mitigation measures in place. These measures can include elevating the property, installing flood barriers, and implementing proper drainage systems. Conclusion. Floods have the potential to disrupt lives and communities in profound ways. While they are uncontrollable natural events, the financial aftermath can be mitigated through flood insurance. By understanding the nuances of flood insurance, including its coverage, benefits, and considerations, individuals and communities can better prepare for the unexpected and ensure a smoother recovery process in the aftermath of a flood. Whether through government-backed programs or private insurers, flood insurance provides a lifeline that helps individuals regain their footing after nature's fury.